Hello friends, today in subject math chapter 5 arithmetic progression. We will study the nth term of an arithmetic progression means AP. So now nth term we want to find out. So we know now 2, 4, 6, 8 like this way. If the common difference is equal then it is an AP. But suppose like this way we want to write AP is infinite and somebody has to write the 100 term. Somebody has to write the 58 term. Then we write like this is equals and to go to find out 100 term 58 term, that is time consuming. So here we will find out how to find out n term of the AP. For that, now we know that the first term A1 equals to A, the second term A2 equals to A plus D. If the D is the common difference, we add in the first term. Now A3 will be, we get by adding the common difference D into second term. So it will be A plus D plus D. So A plus 2D. Again here, fourth term we will get A plus 2D. In the third term we add the common difference D. So A plus 3D. So A5 we will get A plus 3D plus D. So A plus 4D. So here A plus 6, A6 we will get A plus 5D. So here we are getting something. Here A means 0D, 1D. So 1 is there, then we are getting A plus 1 minus 1D. Here 2 is there, then we are getting A plus 2 minus 1D. Here 3 is there, then we are getting A plus 3 minus 1D. 4 is there, then we are getting A plus 4 minus 1D. So the nth term here, suppose an is there, then A plus the number of term n minus 1 d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference and n is the number of terms. And so the general formula of the nth term is an equals to a plus n minus 1d. So let us see some examples here. Example 3 is there. If the AP is given 2, 7, 12, then what will be its 10th term? Means A10. So here 10th term we want to find. So general form is an equals to a plus n minus 1d. So here a and d will be required. So a is the first term, that is given 2. D is the common difference, means 7 minus 2, that is 5, and n number of term, that is given 10. We submit these values, then 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So 2 plus 9 5s are 45, and so it will be 47. So in this AP, the 10th term will be 47. Now we are given example form for which term of AP 21, 18, 15 up to so is minus 81. So here we have to say that which term is minus 81. Which term means the number of term is not given. So number of term we have to find out. So we take that let nth term will be minus 81, and so n value we have to calculate. So for that an formula is that a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 81. So we list out a, n and d. So a equals to first term 21, d equals to 18 minus 21, that is minus 3, and n we have to calculate. We submit these values here, and 21 plus minus 3, n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 81. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 81 minus 21. So n minus 1 equals to 112 minus 102 divided by minus 3. So minus minus cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 34. So n minus 1 equals to 34. So n equals to 35. Means 35th term will be minus 81. Now further question is that is any term 0? Give reason for your answer. So we will take an equals to 0 and we will find out n. Now term number is always natural number. So if n value will be natural number, then the term is 0 possible. Otherwise it is not possible. So an equals to 0. So again a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 0. So a 21 plus n minus 1 d is minus 3 equals to 0. So 21 n minus 1 equals to minus 21 divided minus 3. So n minus 1 equals to 7. So n equals to 8. So here n we got natural number, and so yes, 0 is the term of this AP. Now next example 5 is there. The third term A3 is given 5 and 7th term A7 is given 9. Then determine the AP. So determine AP means any AP we want to write, then we want A and D. But these values are not given. Instead of that, two terms are only given. So we subtract from the larger term to the smaller term. So A7 minus A3 we take. Then A7 minus A3 means 9 minus 5. So A7 will be as per general formula A plus 7 minus 1D means 6D minus A plus 2D equals to 4. So A minus A cancel and 6D minus 2D. 4D equals to 4. And so D equals to 1. D equals to 1. Submit name. A3 equals to 5 means A plus 2D equals to 5. So A plus 2 into 1 equals to 5. So A equals plus 2 equals to 5. So A equals to 3. And so now first term 3 difference is 1. And so required AP is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 6 7. Goes on. Now we have the example number 6, that check whether 301 is the term of AP 5, 11, 17, 23 goes on. So here we have to check that 301 is any term in this AP. So suppose we will take that nth term is 301 and we will find out n value, because nth term we don't know. And so n term, if we find out n value is the positive integer means natural number, then it will be a term, because term number is always natural number. And so if n is positive natural number, then it is a term of this AP. So for that, A plus n minus 1D equals to 301. Now A value is the first term, that is 5. D value is the 11 minus 5, 6. And n we have to calculate. So here 5 plus n minus 1 into 6 equals to 301. So here 5 plus 6n minus 6 equals to 301. And so 6n minus 1 equals to 301. So 6n equals to 302. So n equals to 302 divided 6, which cannot be simplification. So not a positive integer. So n is not a natural. number, and so 301 is not any term of AP 5, 11, 17, 23 both terms. Now question number 7 is there. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So two-digit numbers start from 10 and still 99. Now these all the numbers we don't have to use. Here we have to take that it is divisible by 3. So 10 is not divisible by 3. So first number we are getting divisible by 3, that is 12. Now divisible by 3, so 3 table we take, then 15, 18, like this way we will get RAP, last term will be 99. Now here they have asked how many terms are divisible by 3. So here how many terms are there, that we have to calculate, means n we have to calculate. Now last term is 99, so nth term we take 99, then a plus n minus 1d equals to 99. So a is given, that is the first term 12, d is 15 minus 12, that is 3, and now we submit these values here, then 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 equals to 99. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 99 minus 12. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 7, and here 87. So n minus 1 equals to 87 divided 3, that is 29. So n equals to 29 plus 1, 30. So there are 30 terms which are divisible, two-digit numbers and divisible by 3. Now example 8 is given, 10, 7, 4, minus 62. Then find the 11th term from the last term. So in the reverse order we find out 11th term from the end, which will be the 11th term. So if we write AP in reverse order, then 11th term from the end will be 11th term from starting and so this AP will write in reverse order, then minus 62 dot 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 4, 7, 10. So it will be, our first term will be minus 62, d will be difference between two terms, so 10 minus 7, 3, and so here 11 term we want to calculate, so a11 will be a plus 11 minus 1d, that is minus 62 plus 10 into 3, so minus 62 plus 30, which will be minus 32. Now question 9 in the example is there, a sum of rupees 1000, so principal is given rupees 1000, at the 8% interest, so rate is given 8% per year. Then calculate the interest at the end of the each year and do this interest from an AP. If so, find the interest at the 30 years, making use of this fact. So we know that the interest for each year, so first year interest will be, it will be 1 year, and so principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal 1000, rate 8 into 1 year upon 100. So zeros cancel, 80. Now again second year will be principal into rate into time upon 100. 1000 into 8 into 2 upon 100. So it is 160. Third year principal into rate into time upon 100. So 1000 into 8 into 3 upon 100. So 0 0 squared. So it is 240. So here we are getting 80, 160, 240. And so we can see that every year interest remains equal. And so the difference is 80, 80, 80. And so it forms an AP. So now we want to find out after 30 years. So A30 equals to A plus 30 minus 1D. For that A equals to 80 and D also 160 minus 80 will be 80. And so A30 will be 80 plus 29 into 80. So 80 we take out common, 1 plus 29, that is 80 into 30, it is 2400. Now question 10 is that in a flower bed there are 23 rows in the first row, so A1 is given, the first row that is 23 plants, the second row that is given 21 plants, then third row that is given 19 plants, and the last row has 5 plants. Then how many rows are there? So here we can write these in sequence and 23, 21, 19, 5. And we can see that 21 minus 23 minus 2, 19 minus 21. So given numbers are in AP. Now they are in AP, so we want to find how many rows are there, means nth row we don't know. So let an equals to 5. So a plus n minus 1d equals to 5. So our a is 23 and d is 21 minus 23 minus 2. So 23 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 5. So n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 5 minus 23. So n minus 1 equals to minus 18 by minus 2. So n minus 1 equals to 9. So n equals to 10. So the 10th row will be containing 5 flowers.